Yo, what's going on, crew? We're back here at Dolly Cooper. It's been a minute. We finally got some rain, and we're gonna try doing attainment lap. See how far upstream we can go, do a little bit of surfing, have a little bit of fun, shred it up, the Dagger reflection. And some point in this time in the video, I'll go ahead and go through the boat, because I realize I've never actually told y'all about this boat because it is super far from stock. But enough of that, we're making the intro too long. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Yoo! Hey crew, one thing I can tell you is since the last time I was here, there was a lot of trees that cleared up, probably with this just past rain that came through. That and just the steady flows after Helene. But enough of that. I'm going ahead and hit this little wave right here and attain up to that next little eddy up there. All right. Yo, what's going on, crew? I've never seen this little creek before. I'm wondering if it's probably just covered up with wood, as there is a big tree here, and I bet you it was stacked up. But it's a cool place to rest because at this level, as you can look out there and see it, it's just steadily ripping. So sometimes you got to get out the current and just take a breather and then hit it again. But enough of that. Keep on punching up. All right, you. Yo, what's going on, crew? Now that we got up that other hard rapid, the wind's starting to blow crazy downriver. Man, it's an epic day though. Glad to be out here. Glad to be out on the water, enjoying nature and God's creation. But enough of that. I'm going ahead and keep on paddling up. All right, you. Yo, what's going on, crew? That's the old jet ski. So she's even farther downriver now. It's insane because this thing was way up here before Helene. There you go. What's going on, crew? Another creek, and I remember it being a lot of flat, so time to switch back to the carbon blade and Yo, what's going on, crew? I believe this is another iconic spot. It's the Horseshoe bend in the river. So I remember this. Sweet, yep, this is definitely it. Yo, what's going on, crew? Like somebody's little spa got loose and went floating down the river and got pushed up there. Daggum, that's crazy. Yo, crew, so it looks like the creek this time is open. So we're gonna check that out on the way back. At least it's open enough to go up in the mouth of it. We'll see what it's like. But we're gonna keep on continuing up the Saluda. All right, you. Yo, crew, that's a whole building right there that somebody was building. I mean, dude, that's a lot of money worth of raw materials right there. That's those posts. It just got washed down river. Insane.
Yo, what's going on, crew? Hope y'all enjoyed riding with me this week. And it was awesome getting out there. Anytime we can get out there and explore and have fun, it's always a good day. But I hope y'all have a good rest of the week. I'm going in and hit y'all with this week's quote and get out of here. The difference between impossible and possibility lies in your determination. You